As you guys know, we love to leverage trade on this channel. We do it almost every day. You guys also know the site that we generally use, but a lot of you guys like options. So today we're going to be taking a look at a platform we've discussed before, but has made big changes. Prime XBT has upgraded their entire platform, including the addition of a new and improved interface that you got to see to believe. Let's get it. BitSwap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, BitSwap gets you the very best price and value for your trades. BitSwap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.io. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. If you like money and crypto, then make sure to hit that subscribe button for your chance to win a full Bitcoin. We're now over 25% of the way through the contest, so make sure to check the description below to enter. Now, if you want to sign up for the site we'll be looking at today, Prime XBT, you can visit bitboycrypto.com/deals and scroll down to the Prime XBT section. If you've given Prime XBT a look before, it could be time to give it a second one. Yes, you heard me right. The old pony at Prime XBT, used for leverage trading, has been given an upgrade to its saddle. In crypto, where it's the Wild West out there, Prime XBT has a proven track record for being one of the most secure leverage trading platforms out there for traders, with a friendly customer service team that answers any questions 24/7. What's more, the leverage platform is fully regulated, registered in Switzerland. So you know when you're doing business with them, you're trading with a legitimate company that will support its customers and often stay neutral. So that's a Switzerland joke. But what has changed for Prime XBT since the last time we looked at them? Everything is different from the original on the outside and in. Here's a screenshot of the new user interface, which is more clean in my opinion than it was before. Now, when you first sign in, you'll be greeted with this screen as your new dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see dashboard, referrals, reports, and settings. While in the new dashboard tab, you'll see all the accepted cryptocurrencies and stablecoins for Prime XBT and their wallets, seemingly allowing you with ease to deposit to any of these wallets listed. Stablecoins. Another horse reference. Prime XBT now supports a wider variety of currencies besides Bitcoin, including USDT, ETH, and USDC. Additionally, Prime XBT also supports multiple trading accounts, advanced reports, and more. Users can now open multiple trading accounts and use additional currencies for trading and P&L statements, including stablecoins such as Tether and the Coinbase dollar. According to Prime XBT in a blog post, the introduction of ETH, USDT, and USDC is due to growing market demand for these products, as well as to allow for greater flexibility and risk management for all Prime XBT users. This move will also serve to stabilize markets on the platform by using multiple different trading pairs and open the platform to greater liquidity and accessibility, enabling scalability. The new currencies will be integrated platform-wide for all services, which means users will be able to use ETH, USDT, and USDC in addition to BTC as a base account currency for margin trading, Prime XBT Turbo, co-vesting, and more. Once deposits have been confirmed, users can then create a new margin trading account in each currency to use for collateral in margin positions on all available markets, including, of course, cryptocurrencies, stock, indices, Forex, and even commodities listed on Prime XBT. The detailed report section shows all of your transactions and trading activity concisely and clearly. The co-vesting module also got a fine-tuning in addition to more currencies, allowing users to follow more trading strategies and profit in more than just Bitcoin. Users can now create a strategy or follow their favorite traders using USDC, USDT, and more. This offers users greater diversification. Further, as you can see from the updated rating section, all available strategies will be categorized by their respective base currency. However, it's important to note that not all strategies can be used for different currencies. For example, users who deposit USDC will only be able to follow their USDC denominated strategies. This makes sense. Lastly, even the referral section of Prime XBT received an overhaul and an upgrade. Users can now earn referral revenue in BTC and in ETH, USDT, and USDC, depending on which account currency each referred trader uses. Prime XBT notes that they will also be releasing an upcoming new mobile application for iOS and Android, which is expected to be out later this year. Prime XBT is also giving away a $500 funded account for you just to try the new features and give your feedback in the comment section below. All you got to do is make a comment to enter. One comment will be chosen at random to win a $500 funded account, So get those comments in. Additionally, don't forget that if you're an experienced trader, you can always use the promo code BitBoy to get 50% on top of your deposit. You can also sign up to use MarketCypher to trade using our favorite winning indicator by going to bitboycrypto.com/deals. Now, if you need a full tutorial on how to use Prime XBT, you can always check that out by clicking the link above to see the one that we did before. Prime XBT is a unique site with a lot to offer. If you guys want a new full tutorial based upon the new look and feel of this site, then you guys can make sure to make that comment down below as well. Now, also, we want to know, what do you think of the new Prime XBT user interface? All you got to do is let us know, and you're entered for a chance to win $500 in a funded account. And thank you very much, of course, to Prime XBT for sponsoring this video. But that's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.